Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Today's very beautiful. It's a nice day. Little breeze, little birds chirping away. It's really nice. I just ate, so I feel really good right now. Other than that, today I will be doing something different. Not a big change, not a big difference, but I won't be working on the Civic. As you guys know, I've been working on the Civic, trying to repair the A-pillar because there was a bunch of rust, and I'm actually gonna put that on hold. I need a little bit of a break. I've been going at it for a couple weeks already, so I kind of need a break from that. But other than that, I will be working on my Legacy today. I haven't made much videos on the Legacy, and I feel like right now is the perfect time to make some videos on it. And I've been wanting to do more mods on the car, only just to make it look better and make it look maybe more aggressive. But so far what I've done is just coilovers and the Enkeys, maybe like a short block. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I did get a front lip. It is a Driven by Style, I think it's called, front lip. I'm gonna be installing it today on the Legacy. That should be fairly simple and fun. I have the part here, so let's get started. Talking. So I did get the front lip. It's right here. This is basically how it looks. Pretty clean, no damage. Just like a couple holes already. So I just got to drill it into my bumper. I think it's gonna go like this, flat. And then we'll mock it up to see how it looks. But yeah, this is the front lip. They gave me this hardware right here. It's like a pouch. Has washers, nuts, and Phillips screws. Basically what I got. So I'm just gonna use theirs. It should be fairly an easy install. I think the only thing that can be kind of crucial and critical is like drilling it to where it needs to go. I can't fuck that up. So got my vice grips holding it. Boom, baby. So I pretty much did the passenger and driver side. Bruh. Holy shit, I'm getting the allergies out here. But the passenger and the driver side, I put some bolts and nuts already. They're not fully tying, they're just kind of like loose. So I can see how the middle's gonna go. So this has to get pushed up to the bumper. And that's where I'm gonna make hole here in this section, and then I'll bring it up. And then that should be fine. But so far this is how it looks with it mocked up. But I think those two, and then call it a day. Bruh. I had a little scary incident. Whatever fell in my eye was kind of irritating, and it was poking me a little bit. So I went to go wash my eye a bit, and my eye's better now. That was like a reminder for myself that I gotta wear glasses when I'm under a car. It gets really overlooked on my end, so I just grabbed my brother's glasses. It's so easy to overlook that. I basically just completed the install. It wasn't too difficult. It was fairly easy. Now I'm just gonna put it on the jack and then start taking the rocks off, and then we're gonna see this finishing product on the floor. It looks actually really good. I didn't think it was gonna make this much of a difference, but man, I love this look. Like, it just goes really well now. See, that was for sure what was missing. The car just looked very empty in the bottom. I think this kind of makes the front end look wider now somehow. Bruh. I don't know how to describe it, to be honest, but in my opinion, it looks way better now. So now that I have the front lip on, now I know what I want to do next. because this front lip, in order to pop out and make the front end look way better, like this whole thing right here needs some work. So now I want to like wash it and get some pictures going. I think that's something I'm gonna have to do for sure. This is long awaited. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I should have done it earlier because it makes it look way different. But I think that does it for this video. This was a nice little project. These are the type of projects that I really enjoy. When you have like a project like the Civic where it takes a lot of time out of your day and you're not getting much done, and it's more of a long-term project. Small projects like this for the Legacy feels really good, and it does make things flow better and keep that excitement. I'm glad that I finally got to do this. So until the next video, we'll see what we do on the Legacy. If you guys have any suggestions, leave a comment and leave a like if you guys enjoyed this video. So if I should do more little small projects like this. But anyways, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.